Hey everybody, today we're going to be cleaning a synthetic rug that I have back there. This rug has some urine in it, it has some dirt. You see the dirt's a little bit orange. Here in North Carolina we have red clay, so I'm assuming the dog goes outside and comes back inside and walks on it. I'm going to go ahead and show you what solutions I'm going to add to it, the process of me cleaning it, and how we dry it here at the shop. I already went ahead and pre-vacuumed it and I went ahead and dusted it, so it's all ready to get washed. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using today. I have BioBreak. This is our alkaline cleaner with the citrus salt. We're going to mix it with Pet Zone. Pet Zone helps remove any odors and it helps with stains. And we'll mix it in this jug about 60 seconds with the hot water. We'll wet the carpet. We'll put the solution down and we'll let it dwell for about 15 minutes. After doing the process of cleaning it, obviously we're going to flush it out, try to get as much urine as we can out of the rug. And just to be safe, we'll rinse it with a FAB set. The FAB set is an acid rinse that helps neutralize whatever solution we put down. This is a high pH, this is a low pH. Put them together and they'll neutralize in the middle. So I'm going to be doing about 2 ounces of BioBreak and 2 ounces of Pet Zone and mix it in here. Always make sure to mix it with some hot water. Just helps activate the chemicals. Alright, so this is the tool that we use to flush the rugs. And I'll show you here how it works. The water comes out through here. And we'll do about like 5 passes with this. And then we'll go over it with the squeegee at the end. So I just finished flushing the rug out and then passing the squeegee over it. As you can tell, this rug looks a lot better. There's still a little bit of traffic. I'm gonna run it through the centrifuge first, see how it looks, because I know with it full of water, it looks darker. And what we'll be doing is using this cart here to be able to move the rug from here, roll it there, and put it in the centrifuge. So here's the rug after the centrifuge. I really think it came out great. The only thing that's bothering me a little bit is you can kind of see these traffic areas. What I'm gonna do now is use our Orbot Vibe with a white bonnet, and I'm gonna see if I can make that look a little bit better. Obviously we can't promise that we're gonna remove the traffic 100%, but we're gonna give it a try with the Orbot. Sure that it's clean. And let's see how it looks like after. Nothing too bad, but you can still see a little bit of dirt that was left behind. And we were able to get it out with that bonnet. So now our rug is ready for the speed drying process. We have fans up here. We have some more fans right here. And over there is our heater, so I'll make sure to cut that on. We'll leave it for about 12 hours, check it tomorrow, see if it's dry. Most likely it will be dry due to how thin this is. But overall, I think this came out really good. Well, if you made it this far to the video, I just want to say thank you for watching. I know we haven't been posting anything in the past year. We got a little bit busy. We're gonna try to post more often. It won't be just rug. We'll try to do some tile cleaning, carpet cleaning, hardwood floor cleaning, and some more things throughout this new year. If you have any questions or any comments, just leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna go ahead and post the before and afters for this rug.